Do you ever just like have problems keeping your car clean and waxed and everything? Well, we got some products here today because your boy got a new sponsor. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, it's beautiful outside. It's like 70, so nice. But today, we're gonna be cleaning the car because we got a new sponsor, and I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's VVASH. Probably should have asked them before making this video. But we're gonna try out some of their new products today. We got a little bit of a care package from our boys over here. So the first thing we're gonna try doing is a wheel cleaner, and then we gotta wash the entire car because my car is absolutely disgusting because it's disgusting. And then we got a new wax for it too. Now, most car people, we have a hard time keeping our cars clean, especially me driving a black car. Now, usually I go to a car wash, I have a power washer. Today, we're not gonna be doing that because I don't feel like it and I'm blocked in right now and I don't feel like moving cars. So we're gonna be doing this with the garden hose, a sponge, old-fashioned way. But the first thing I'm really excited to try is a wheel cleaner. I've never really used a wheel cleaner except for Meguiar's one time, so I'm really curious to see how this holds up to it. So let's do a little squirt ski on some wheels and spray them off and see how much stuff actually comes off, and I'm very excited about that. Now, this company, they do have some nice deals and nice looking products. I only got 2 products here today, so I should have gotten an actual car wash product for them because that would have made sense. But today we just got detailing stuff, but I'm still very excited about it. So let's take a look at these, take a gander at them, and see how they perform. So if you look at my wheels, they're absolutely disgusting. So hopefully this stuff works well. We're gonna try putting a little bit more on there and see if it does anything. Now, before I show you guys the wheels, I'm gonna call this a backyard test because 1, I didn't agitate it. 2, I don't have a pressure washer. I'm just using cold water from a hose that doesn't have the best water pressure. Now, wheel cleaners I think are weird because I've never really used many of them. I've only used one as a Meguiar's one, which is pretty cool. This one, it got some of the stuff off. It definitely needs more work because this stuff is caked on, but I think with a pressure washer it would be a lot better because it did loosen up the dirt a good amount. But I'll show you guys the wheels. They do look a little bit more shiny, but out of a 10, I'm gonna give this one a 7 for a backyard test because it did something, but it wasn't like the craziest noticeable difference, if you know what I mean. So now that the car is washed and dried, we're going to do a little bit of a wax now, and this is the Superior Shine by them. So I'll show you a little before, and we'll do a little bit more of an edit thing just to see how it looks and how it sprays on and looks. My car's got a mirror-like shine now. Now, I have used several different kinds of spray waxes before, and this is a disclaimer first of all. They're not paying me for this video. They're not paying me for anything. I'm doing this out of, I got a sponsorship with them. I don't even know my mic was in at all. But they're helping me out, so I'm helping them out. But this spray wax is by far the easiest spray wax I've ever had to work with in my life. Most spray waxes that you use, when you wipe them off the first time, they leave like a oilish looking thing until you buff it completely out, and this stuff leaves a little bit, and then as soon as it leaves it, it completely just evaporates and it looks very good. With it not being the best car wash I've ever done in my life, I'm gonna have to rewash it tomorrow and take pictures. Anyways, I think this looks really good, and everything is super smooth now. It feels like glass, and it looks really clear. And it's hard to pick up stuff like this on camera, especially with all the sparkles this car has, but it looks mint. So with this spray wax, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because this is the easiest thing I've ever worked with, and it looks really good. It shines deep and just looks fantastic. So 10 out of 10. So guys, check them out. Use code TTRBRZ. It's gonna be in my Instagram if you guys want a 10% discount. I believe it was 10%. And go support them and go show them some love. Follow them on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, do all that fun stuff. I'm gonna leave the video, guys. So comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, peace.